Hello, this is a video to show you how to make an easy banner using your PowerPoint and then uploading it into your Canvas. The first thing you want to do is go to Blank Presentation, go to Design, and pick any design. Go to Slide Size, Custom, Banner, OK. I usually pick Maximize, and then I add the information here. Once you add the appropriate information in your banner, go to File, Save As, pick the location where you want to save your banner. I'm going to pick my desktop. Name your banner, ESL 306 banner. Then I'm going to go to JPEG to save it as the file type. Then I'm going to go to Save. Just this one. Now I'm going to close my PowerPoint and open my Canvas page. Okay, now that I open my Canvas page, I'm going to go to Edit. I'm going to click where I want my banner. Then go to Images, Upload New Image, choose File. I'm going to type the file that I saved it. So ESL 306 banner. Open. Then I'm going to put in the alternative text banner of course information. And then I'm going to upload. And you should see your banner right there. I'm going to save it. And you should have your banner in your Canvas homepage. Thank you.